best blenders are offered in a wide variety, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best top 5 blenders from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Blendtec Total Blender Classic. The Blendtec Total Blender Classic is a powerhouse in the world of kitchen appliances. With its 10-speed settings and professional-grade construction, it's designed to handle just about anything you throw at it. From smoothies and shakes to soups and sauces, this blender can tackle a wide range of recipes with ease. One of its standout features is the 4-side jar, which has a generous capacity of 75 ounces, allowing you to blend large batches of ingredients at once. Plus, with 6 pre-programmed cycles, you can achieve consistent results for common tasks like making smoothies, crushing ice, and more, all at the touch of a button. A high-power motor ensures smooth and efficient blending, while the durable construction means this blender is built to last. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is sure to become an indispensable tool in your culinary arsenal. Number 4. Ninja BN401 NutriPro Personal Blender. The Ninja BN401 NutriPro Compact Personal Blender is a sleek and powerful addition to any kitchen. With its 1000 peak watt motor and Auto IQ technology, it's engineered to effortlessly blend everything from frozen drinks to smoothies and sauces with precision and consistency. One of its notable features is the inclusion of 2 24-ounce to-go cups, complete with convenient spout lids. This makes it perfect for blending up your favorite drinks or snacks and taking them on the go without the need for extra containers. The compact design of the NutriPro makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or for those who prefer a more streamlined appliance. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on performance, delivering smooth and delicious results every time. Number 3. Ninja BL660 Smoothie Blender. The Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance that's perfect for blending, mixing, and food processing tasks. With its robust 11-watt motor and 3 functions, it's capable of handling everything from frozen drinks and smoothies to sauces and more. One of the standout features of the BL660 is its large 72-ounce pitcher, which allows you to blend large batches of ingredients at once, making it ideal for entertaining or preparing meals for the whole family. Additionally, it comes with 2 16-ounce to-go cups, complete with convenient spout lids, making it easy to blend up individual servings and take them with you on the go. Whether you're looking to whip up a quick breakfast smoothie, blend ingredients for soups or sauces, or even tackle more complex food processing tasks like chopping vegetables or making nut butters, the Ninja BL660 has you covered. Its compact design and powerful performance make it a must-have for any kitchen. Number 2. Vitamix Explorian Blender. The Vitamix Explorian Blender is designed for professional-grade blending performance, capable of handling a wide range of ingredients, from fruits and vegetables to nuts and seeds. The blender comes with a low-profile 64 ounces container, which is ideal for blending large batches of smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. The renewed premium version indicates that the blender has undergone a thorough refurbishment process by the manufacturer to meet like new standards. It typically includes a warranty and may come with additional accessories or features. The Pulse feature provides bursts of power for precise control over blending and chopping tasks. The blender is equipped with a powerful motor that can easily pulverize tough ingredients and create smooth, silky textures. The blender is designed for easy cleaning, with a self-cleaning function that allows you to clean the container and blades quickly with water and soap. Number 1. Vitamix E310 Blender. The Vitamix E310 is designed to deliver high-performance blending results, capable of handling a wide variety of ingredients with ease. This blender comes with a 48 ounces container, which is ideal for blending medium-sized batches of smoothies, soups, sauces, and other recipes. The container is made of BPA-free plastic and is durable and easy to clean. The slate color option offers a sleek and modern appearance that can complement any kitchen decor. The blender features a variable speed control knob that allows you to adjust the speed of the blades to achieve your desired texture and consistency. This gives you precise control over your blending results. The Vitamix E310 is equipped with a powerful motor that can handle even the toughest ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time you blend. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and comment below. If you like blenders, then check my description and click on the link in the description.